Hello, I'm Dr. Peter Harrop, Chairman of ID TechX. Very excited to be on the Korean stand at our busy ID TechX show here in Berlin. I need to have it explained to me because I've been given a dog and it's glowing and I hope it's not radioactive. I need an explanation. So could you please introduce yourself and tell us all about these many things?
Hello, so we are here at this Korean pavilion. We are from the KTTA, this is the Korea Textile Trade Association, and we are having these LEDs from DLS, that's a Korean company that we represent here. DLS is making LED stripes and LED patches, as you can see here, and actually they also make LED stripes with sensors in it, so you can use them for snowboarding or riding the bike with sensors that give you the direction of the movement, for example. Then we also represent other companies like Alpha Glow, which you can see here. They have sports equipment or sports shorts and shirts, for example, and they give you information on how effective your training is, because the textiles in the shorts themselves give you information on how much your muscles are used.
Nice.
Yeah, we can see here the jacket is from Black Yak. It's a famous Korean outdoor brand, and Black Yak has made this jacket with heat patches in it, so you can just connect the power bank here, and the heat patches are in the pockets and at the back, so the jacket is actually very thin, but it's still very warm, and without the power bank you can even wash it just like a normal jacket.
Nice. Let's walk around here. So what's the market for this one?
Sorry? This one. So we've actually, DLS, as I said, they're making the LED lights, stripes, and patches, and this is just for the safety of the dog, actually.
Okay, let's walk around. Should we ask some stuff about these things?
Yes, please.
You can stand here. Stand here. Okay.
Okay, so you seem to have an enormous variety of things. What am I looking at here?
This is a sitting mat, and the sitting mat is actually still a prototype by the company PS Solution from South Korea also. And the sitting mat gives you information on how good, how you are balanced, how good your balance is when you're sitting. So it gives you information to, for a better health result.
Yes, yeah. Without any heavy electronics, not intrusive.
Yes, right.
And why are we looking at shoes? Smart shoes.
Smart shoes, right. So they are actually also blinking if I would switch
Right.
them on. These shoes are made by Descenta, a Korean famous sports brand. And these shoes are smart shoes which should be used in the gym. And in the gym, the trainer can give you, with the help of the application that we can use on the phone or on the tablet, it can give you information on how your balance is during your training. So there are sensors and microchips in the shoes themselves. So it gives you information on how your balance is on the toe, on the hip.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Awesome. And the red shoes?
The red shoes, they are also from PS Solution. So we have here again 2 microchips and 12 sensors in it, and they are actually for medical uses. So in Korea we use them in hospitals, and the doctor or the orthopedist gives you can give you information after like 1 minute of walking how good your balance is again. Right.
Excellent. For people recovering and so on,
Yes.
obviously.
Right.
So on. So if you could lead us through these, this is most intriguing. Gloves.
Yeah,
Everything.
the gloves. Here we have motorcycle gloves. This company is called Yongpung Filtex. They are a South Korean company which also makes very different types of gloves, like work gloves also. And the specialty about these gloves is actually the conductive textile, the conductive fabric that we have over here. So without taking off your glove, you can already use your phone or other touch displays. And also for work gloves, it's very important because there were many accidents on like work sites where the workers had to take off the glove to maybe use the machine or touch the screen. So now they don't have to do that.
Excellent. And this looks like a shoe insert. Is that keeping me warm or what?
Now this is actually a sole with pressure sensors beneath again. And this is from the same company which is making the sports shorts like Alpha Glow.
So it's medical. Okay, and carry on. Do tell us.
Here we have the company Kwangnim. That's a Korean company which is focused on pressure sensors and conductive yarn. And here,
Connected?
yes, here we can see. So we have this stretchable yarn, as you can see here.
Oh.
And yeah, it's a conductive stretchable yarn, and they used this, for example, in this sensor.
Excellent.
And on the screen you can see
Monitoring the stress.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. What is the application that's likely to have? What's the most promising dream?
So these kind of yarns are, for example, used in the sports shorts.
Sports.
Yeah, that could be like one application.
And possibly underwear or something, I don't know. Anyway, yes, I see. Very interesting. Thank you. Can we work our way around? I'd be very grateful.
So here we have
body
again.
temperature now. Okay, good, right.
Yeah, so here we have again the conductive yarn that we also had before, but here we have like different colors, and they have different materials in it for the colors and for the conductivity.
There?
And this is to show you again the pressure sensor. We had the sensor before with the conductive stretchable yarn, and this is just to show you the principle of the pressure sensor itself.
Thank you. And this, not able to demonstrate at this point, but can you describe it?
Yeah, so there's a sensor. This is a snowboard goggle, and the principle is that you have a sensor here at the side, and the sensor can give you the information on when you're snowboarding, you're moving to the left or to the right, and the sensor can give the information onto which direction the person is moving, and then the blinks are blinking into that direction, just like with the car.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, excellent. Love it. You don't have to do anything. Yeah. You have videos. So is that complete now? Oh, wait a minute. We have some more mannequins. What are we seeing here?
So here we have the sparkle for women. The specialty about this is this electric little device. This is actually for women very important. It's like a warning or alarm signal, alarm device.
So does it give location? Or?
Yes, right. It gives location.
Oh, that's really
via,
critical.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
via
very
Wi-Fi.
important for elderly people as well, isn't it? Because
Yeah, it is.
some people with Alzheimer's may get lost in a town and they just have to,
Yeah.
they don't know how to get back.
Yes, right.
And others may have fallen over or
Yeah, or
they need to signal.
they don't know where they are, and other people
Yeah.
don't know how to contact
Absolutely. Yeah.
their family or something
Oh, that
like
is
that.
superb. It's
Yeah.
marvelous. And on this model here,
This one is a sports shirt again. It's a one-layer heating shirt. So the
Oh,
specialty
right.
about this is that it's really one layer. It's not
Yes,
very thick,
yes.
but it's still a very it's a functional sports shirt.
Yeah.
And here we have the battery,
Yep.
which is giving off the energy for the heat patches, which we have at the front
right.
and
yes,
at the back.
It needs quite a substantial battery. It's quite a lot of energy, isn't it? But
Yeah.
that won't, even that battery won't last for long, will it?
It will last long, but you can also
How long?
just take it off.
Yeah. How long will it work for?
I think about. Oh, I'm not really sure,
No.
but it's more than enough for like one sports session.
Oh, right. So it might be for an hour
So
or something.
even more
Right.
than an hour. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. Good. Well, that's wonderful. Thank you so much. I mean, it's a really exciting tour.
Thank you for
We're
your
very
interest.
grateful. Thank you for coming.
Yeah. Thank you very
We'll
much.
spread the message. Bye for now.
Thank you.